Hi, I'm Gabriel, the bug boy, and today we're going to be talking about the ropefish. Ropefish have long, flexible bodies that let them slither through underwater plants and tight spaces, almost like an eel. And they live in swamps and freshwater rivers of Africa. And they use their sharp sense of smell to hunt small fish, crustaceans, and insects. And despite their scary snake-like appearance, ropefish are actually gentle and mostly keep to themselves. Anyway, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video.